eagle's gray sky. Money blinds the human eye. We have left the green behind, lost the peace we used to find. Greed is black and rivers deep. Toxic air is all we breathe. Poison lands where nothing grows. Mother Earth in pain and throes. Back to nature we must go. Back to the world we used to know. If we act, the earth will mend. Human hearts can learn again. Plastic seas and melting ice. We ignored the warning signs. Cities built on dreams of gold. Nature's tales remain untold. Brutal truth we can't escape. Futures written by our fate. Time to change our twisted path. Love the earth and let her laugh. Back to nature we must go.